Bah AL Hek beri unong alam keseng BJP batu menteri berem ke Sarkar Jylla. Ulai Khublei menteri rang badu keriu Narendra Modi. Halo kejing Pak Bongot ki menteri ke Sarkar Jylla Meghalaya. Rengkat bagi Song Jingerap bat ki Skim Pynroi baper. Ulah kam banjur bamenta kelade ke Kamram bat ke benta jong ke Sarkar MDA ban menteri Kam Hok kelam da pentot ikini ki skim ki bawan ke Sarkar NDA. Bat ulah penpau bawa labon ki sengsan pertai ki kam bawan ra kejing Pynroi rupat ba utip bat begini ki skim Pynroi ki wantek na menteri rang ba do keriu beri na keseng BJP. Ulah penpau ru ya kejing syania ai tenat sarkar kum ka PWD ba tenat ka kot kakhya bagian pentikna bagini kejing mentoi kin poish ki pat ba ki beri penyo jing mentoi kam tam haki kam jung okai pertai kejing ele akai ka kot kakhya da ka kentu bakane kam dai kemat election ndai ki kemat Pynroi ka ba sarkar pedeng gadai banang beteng man ai syik Jylla.
Sending marathons of Union Minister to Meghalaya with a package for development. So now it is a responsibility and duty of our state government, MDA government, how we can implement those packages which are sent through the NDA government for implementations. See, credit, any political party can take credit, but everybody knew that. This is all the scheme came from our Prime Ministers of BJP. Okay, he is a Prime Minister of NDA, of course, but he is from a BJP party. So whatever they have been doing, it is the blessings of the BJP at the center. There's no related with elections. And this is the development. Development anytime, any moment. We also are looking for a lot of development coming to Meghalaya, particularly in the tourism sector and the sports sector, health sector. So we are request to the union government under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister to send as much as possible as been doing also. They have sent a marathons of the union minister with the packages to Meghalaya for the developments of our states. So we also from the party, we also pursuing the same matter for the all-round development of the state of Meghalaya.